This Tagalog lesson is about the phrase panahon na para or it's about time in English. Panahon na para is commonly used to express that something long awaited or overdue is finally happening or must happen. It implies that the situation should have occurred earlier and there was a sense of impatience or frustration before it actually took place. Panahon na para. Example 1. Panahon na para harapin mo ang katotohanan. Meaning, it's about time you faced reality. Panahon na para harapin mo ang katotohanan. It's about time you faced reality. Panahon na para paghandaan natin ang kinabukasan natin. It's about time we invested in our future. Panahon na para paghandaan natin ang kinabukasan natin. It's about time we invested in our future. Panahon na para seryosohin mo ang bagay na ito. It's about time you took this matter seriously. Panahon na para seryosohin mo ang bagay na to. It's about time you took this matter seriously. Panahon na para kalimutan na niya ang nakaraan. It's about time he let go of the past. Panahon na para kalimutan na niya ang nakaraan. It's about time he let go of the past. Panahon na para magdesisyon tayo. It's about time we made a decision. Panahon na para magdesisyon tayo. It's about time we made a decision. Panahon na para ayusin nila yung tumutulong bubong. It's about time they fix that leaking roof. Panahon na para ayusin nila yung tumutulong bubong. It's about time they fix that leaking roof. Panahon na para kumuha sila ng mga bagong empleyado. It's about time they hired new employees. Panahon na para kumuha sila ng mga bagong empleyado. It's about time they hired new employees. Panahon na para bayaran niya ang utang niya. It's about time he paid his debt. Panahon na para bayaran niya ang utang niya. It's about time he paid his debt. Panahon na para matuto siya sa mga pagkakamali niya. It's about time he learned from his mistakes. Panahon na para matuto siya sa mga pagkakamali niya. It's about time he learned from his mistakes. Panahon na para patawarin nila ang isa't isa. It's about time they forgave each other. Panahon na para patawarin nila ang isa't isa. It's about time they forgave each other. Panahon na para ipagtanggol niya ang sarili niya. It's about time she stood up for herself. Panahon na para ipagtanggol niya ang sarili niya. It's about time she stood up for herself. Panahon na para ma-promote siya. It's about time he got a promotion. Panahon na para ma-promote siya. It's about time he got a promotion. Panahon na para tanggapin niya ang mga kapintasan niya. It's about time she accepted her flaws. Panahon na para tanggapin niya ang mga kapintasan niya. It's about time she accepted her flaws. Panahon na para tumigil ka sa pagdadahilan. It's about time you stop making excuses. Panahon na para tumigil ka sa pagdadahilan. It's about time you stop making excuses. Panahon na para umayos ka. It's about time you got your act together. Panahon na para umayos ka. It's about time you got your act together. Panahon na para makinig ka sa akin. It's about time you started listening to me. Panahon na para makinig ka sa akin. It's about time you started listening to me. Panahon na para panagutan niya ang mga ginawa niya. It's about time he took responsibility for his actions. Panahon na para panagutan niya ang mga ginawa niya. It's about time he took responsibility for his actions. Panahon na para magsimula ka ng panibagong kabanata sa buhay mo. It's about time you started a new chapter in your life. Panahon na para magsimula ka ng panibagong kabanata sa buhay mo. It's about time you started a new chapter in your life. Panahon na para matuto kang magmaneho. It's about time you learned how to drive. Panahon na para matuto kang magmaneho. It's about time you learned how to drive. Panahon na para ayusin natin yung sirang bintana. It's about time we fix that broken window. Panahon na para ayusin natin yung sirang bintana. It's about time we fix that broken window. Panahon na para linisin mo ang aparador mo. It's about time you cleaned out your closet. Panahon na para linisin mo ang aparador mo. It's about time you cleaned out your closet. Panahon na para wakasan natin to. It's about time we put an end to this. Panahon na para wakasan natin to. It's about time we put an end to this. Panahon na para aminin niyang mali siya. It's about time he admitted he was wrong. Panahon na para aminin niyang mali siya. It's about time he admitted he was wrong. Panahon na para magkatrabaho siya. It's about time he got a job. Panahon na para magkatrabaho siya. It's about time he got a job. Panahon na para magkaayos sila. It's about time they made amends with each other. Panahon na para magkaayos sila. It's about time they made amends with each other. Panahon na para unahin mo ang kalusugan mo. It's about time you prioritized your health. Panahon na para unahin mo ang kalusugan mo. It's about time you prioritized your health. Panahon na para ayusin natin yung baradong lababo. It's about time we fix the clogged sink. Panahon na para ayusin natin yung baradong lababo. It's about time we fix that clogged sink. Panahon na para matapos niya ang kurso niya. Ilang taon na siyang nag-aaral. It's about time she finished her degree. She's been studying for years. Panahon na para matapos niya ang kurso niya. Ilang taon na siyang nag-aaral. It's about time she finished her degree. She's been studying for years.